Welcome back, guys. Aside from all the resources I've shown you in this course, another thing I want to show you is how you can get certified. So you're going to get another certificate as an SEO expert, but now you're going to learn more deeper concepts. You're going to learn more theoretical concepts. So far, so good. We'll be able to practicalize how to demonstrate SEO on a WordPress website. But right now, you need to learn more concepts, and to do that, I want to take you to e-marketing institute where you're going to get free certification. So if you want to certify yourself as an SEO expert, this is the right resources for you. So this is e-marketing institute. I want you to come here and I want you to download the book on SEO. So they have different marketing guides, different marketing courses. They are just courses. Yes, there are books you can read. So all you have to do is to view free courses. They have a lot of free courses right here, but the very one I want you to take is SEO certification. This particular course is SEO certification, so you can write exams, you can read about you, they'll provide you with a free material to read about SEO. So there are a lot of things right here. You could say this is the course material, and this is what the certificate looks like at the very end when you pass the examination. So you could see how to pass examination. So just explore this tool and see how you can go about utilizing this and making the best case scenario out of this. So you could see this is the certificate right here, and we have the course overview. So you could check your course overview. You'll see that it's just related to everything we've spoken about in practical, but this way it opens your eyes to theoretical knowledge when it comes to SEO. So we have the chapter content, we have the introduction to search engine optimization, understanding search engines, and these are things you need to just check out. Though we've talked about all these in this very course, link building, there are things we've talked about practically, but this time around you can learn, you can see how good you are. So far so good with this particular course, and all you have to do is to just enroll. All you have to do is to sign up for this free course, then you'll be able to access the free ebook. Yeah, you could even download the free ebooks without getting the certificate, but may I advise you to get the certificate so that you can add it to your portfolio. If you want to freelance or anything you want to do, you can have this added to your portfolio. So but you could go ahead to get the books. You just come to free ebooks, then you'll be able to access the free ebooks library, so you can get any of those books, be it SEO, without having to certify yourself. But look at the books right here. So we have the SEO book right here, SEO for beginners. Look at it right here. All you have to do is to download this ebook, and when you download this ebook, you'll be able to access this particular course, and you'll be able to read everything about the theoretical aspect of SEO, and that way you get certified as well by writing the exams. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.